Wow! A new Instagram message. It's from Taylor Swift. She wants to perform a private concert at my house, but needs me to send her money for a plane ticket. Maybe her private jet broke down? I don't know. Something doesn't feel right. Social media is great for following what your favorite celebrities are up to, keeping in touch with friends and family, and staying current with the news. But this message from Taylor shows that social media is also a breeding ground for scams, so beware of those common risks. Phishing. A phishing message will try to pose as a legitimate source in order to deceive users into revealing sensitive information or clicking a malicious link. On social media, scammers will use this tactic to pose as a celebrity or business, or even pretend to be a friend you follow through a duplicate or hacked account. Scammers will also often create fake customer service social media accounts of real companies. They wait for users to reach out to the genuine company with a help request and respond from the fake support account with a link that directs to a fake login page where they can steal the user's credentials or ask for payment for repair services. Account hijacking. This happens when someone gains unauthorized access to a user's social media account, usually through a weak password. The scammer can then use the account to impersonate the user and send phishing messages to their followers. Malware distribution. Malicious links that could infect your device with viruses or malware are unfortunately all over social media. They come through direct messages, links posted in comments, or even disguised as links to articles, videos, or other intriguing content. These are just a few examples of common scams that occur on social media. And those scammers are coming up with new tricks every day. Don't feel like you have to delete all your social media accounts. Awareness is the first step towards using social media more securely, and you're off to a great start.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.